What is goal-driven system pattern? This AI pattern focuses on selecting and sequencing actions to achieve a defined business or operational goal. System dynamically adjusts its behavior based on progress towards the outcome. Some of the examples are AI-driven project scheduling. It can adjust task priorities and timelines to meet a shifting project deadline. Then dynamic pricing, updating the product prices in real time. One more example could be fitness coaching or health goal tracking apps that recommend daily routines based on users' progress. Then AI tutoring platforms can help reorder lessons based on the student's current understanding of the subject. And in business parlance, it can be used for workflow optimization as well as by reassigning service tickets based on time to resolution goals. Goal driven systems don't just react, they plan, adjust, and push towards outcomes using AI to optimize the path.